Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a poll on TikTok Live. Okay, so in order to make this actually work, you will need to go on your laptop or your PC, but I'll show you what you need. Okay, so if I tap on plus and then I go to Live tab and then I scroll at the bottom, you want to have this installed on your PC Live Studio. And once I do actually get this on my laptop, I will do another video. But this is where you'll be able to set up your different poll here. So you have to actually apply for this. So you can see I'm approved for Live Studio. And then basically you'll copy this link right here. And then once you have this installed on your computer, it's relatively easy to go ahead and set up a poll. It's like a live interactive dashboard. Okay. And once you're on that, you can simply go live on your computer and have your poll ready. Okay, so copy that link. So you can email it to yourself or whatever you want to do. Download this on your laptop or your PC. And then you can go ahead and go into Live Studio and set up your poll and then go live on TikTok from your desktop. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.